Let's see the GradCam, which is an algorithm for visualizing the most important pixels for classification. So we will just see first an example here. So here is the original image, and the goal of GradCam is to show with a heat map which pixels are the most important for the classification. So these images were classified by deep learning network as the class number 207, which correspond to a golden retriever, which is a dog, a species of dog, and which correspond to this dog. So the classification is perfectly right. So the heat map shows us that for classification, the pixel which has the most important part into the decision to classify this image as a golden retriever was the pixel where we put a red color. This is the most important pixel. And with the yellow color, it's less important, and so on. So all these pixels has quite no importance for the classification, but this one are the most important. And it's logical to focus on the head of this animal. It means that the algorithm classify with good information. If it's not the case, if, for example, instead of highlighting these pixels, we have this, for example, these pixels, it means that the algorithm focus on the grass to take the decision that this image is a golden retriever. So now, how does it work? We have a lot of code, but let's see just a few parts of the code of this program. First, we load a model, a ResNet 50, which is a big deep learning model, and we load this big deep learning model and load all its corresponding weights. So these weights were previously calculated by training a ResNet from what we call ImageNet. So what is ImageNet? ImageNet is a huge set, very, very huge set of many images like this about everything, flowers, about cars, about people, about animals, and so on. And these images were used to train the ResNet model. And now we load this ResNet model with all the weights corresponding to the pre-trained with the ImageNet images. So we have here a model that we will use later in this function. In this function here, we have the model, the ResNet, and we send this ResNet, this input tensor. This input tensor corresponds to the input image of the golden retriever, and as an output, we get all the probabilities of for all of the 1000 classes, which correspond to all the classes for the image, for the image in ImageNet. So we get the class number which has the highest probability, and this class number is the number 207, which is the index of a golden retriever. So we first get here the number of the golden retriever. Then we use other function defined previously to compute the heat map of with the GradCam algorithm and overlay this heat map on the image of the dog to display this GradCam image. So we can try to change and use another image. So I have another image of dog, husky. So this is the original image. Now the class predicted is a 248, which is an Eskimo dog, just like a kind of husky. And we see that to take this, its decision, the ResNet focus on this pixel mainly, and it's not stupid. But if we try with a helicopter images, now this is the original image. It focuses on this pixel, but the prediction says that this image corresponds to a tank, but it's not a tank, it's a helicopter. So maybe the algorithm should have focused mainly on this pixel instead of this one, because for this one, yes, it can be a tank, which has the painting of a tank. So with this tool, we can guess why the model sometimes fail.